Hey, how's it going? Today in this video, we're going to be looking into DDoSing attacks, how they work, what they are, and how they can be prevented. We will also go over some applications that you can use in a DDoSing attack, such as low orbit ion cannon, Exorus, and Slowris, as well as showing you a quick CMD command that you can use to do your own DDoSing attack. So what is a DDoS attack? A DDoS, or Distributed Denial of Service Attack, is a type of cyber attack that involves overwhelming a website or network with traffic. This is typically done by using a botnet, which is a network of compromised computers that are controlled by an attacker. So how does a DDoS in an attack work? So when a DDoS is launched on an application or a botnet, it is instructed to flood a website or network with traffic. This traffic is designed to overwhelm the system, making it difficult or impossible for legitimate traffic to get through. This can cause the website or network to slow down or crash completely. So what is a botnet, as mentioned earlier? A botnet are a network of compromised computers that are controlled by an attacker. These computers are often infected with malware, which allows an attacker to take control of them remotely. Once an attacker has control of these computers, they can use them to launch DDoSing attacks. DDoSing attacks typically involve flooding a website or network with traffic. This traffic can come from a variety of sources, including botnets, spoofed IP addresses, applications, and other methods. The goal of this traffic is to overwhelm the website or network, making it difficult or impossible for legitimate traffic to get through. DDoSing attacks attack the third pillar of information security, which is availability. It does this by not allowing any legitimate users to access the websites or networks. So there's a variety of different applications that can be used to carry out DDoSing attacks. The most popular include low orbit ion cannon, high orbit ion cannon, Exorus, and Slowris. These applications are typically designed to flood a website or network with traffic, making it difficult or impossible for legitimate traffic to get through. So recovery from a DDoSing attack can be difficult, but there are steps that can be taken to mitigate the damage. This can involve using a CDN, a content delivery network, to distribute traffic more efficiently across multiple servers. It can also involve using firewalls and other security measures to block traffic from unknown malicious IP addresses. So real quick, I wanted to show you an example of a DDoS attack. So make sure you only do this to websites you own or that your friends own and they're alright with you DDoSing. So we're going to start and we're going to go to a website that we own. So I own this austinhansen.tech. We'll then go to CMD and use a tracer command, and then my website name, or whatever website name you're using. And what that will do is give me the IP address of my website. So it's going to take some time to load. Alright, that was taking too long to load. But now we have my IP address for that website. So then what we can do is we can do a ping. And we can paste that IP address. And what that ping will do is send a packet to that website. But then what we can do is we can ping -n. And then we can say 10. austinhansen.tech. And what that will do is send 10 packets to this website. So 10 people trying to enter on this website now. And we can see that it will do it 10 times. And then it will stop. So you can do something crazy and even do like ping -n 20,000, and then it would send 20,000 packets to my website that would probably crash it. So this is a quick example of how a simple DDoSing attack works. When this is scaled up with botnets and applications, the amount of packets being sent is multiplied by hundreds and thousands. So, and that's when it can really mess up servers, networks, and computers. So there you have it. I hope you understand a little bit more about DDoSing attacks.